Hello everyone, and today we are about to discuss the most sensational topic in the academic field right now. Google has now on the field with its AI-powered tool to compete with the ChatGPT by OpenAI. So welcome to our channel Umeacamey and get all the information related to online courses and the latest updates in the education field in one portal. So let us start discussing the ChatGPT and Google Bard. So before getting into the title of this video, first we will understand what is ChatGPT and Google Bard. We will start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot powered by AI that engages in conversational interaction to respond to user inquiries. On 30th November 2022, OpenAI published ChatGPT. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, reported that in just 5 days, ChatGPT had 1 million users. GPT-3, a language model trained on online text written by people, is the one used by ChatGPT. This language model is applied by ChatGPT when creating user-requested answers. Next, the most asked question is what ChatGPT provides. It can help with writing codes, blogs, product descriptions, summaries, transcripts, and many more. Now let us move on to the new AI tool introduced by none other than our famous Google brand, which is Google Bard. So what exactly is a Bard? Bard leverages Google's language model for dialogue applications and replies from the internet. Through this language model, Bard leverages Google's language model for dialogue applications and replies from the internet. Through this language model, Bard will answer inquiries in greater detail than the ordinary Google search. LMDA's second, lighter iteration requires less CPU power, allowing for increased user capacity and feedback gathering. Like digital assistants like Alexa and Siri, Bard's main objective is to obtain information in a straightforward response rather than a search engine result page, but with links for consumer to find out more. Bard will also serve as your personal assistant, helping you with errands like making travel arrangements, locating health reservations, and meal preparation. Now I hope that the basic concept is clear about ChatGPT and Bard. Now we will be seeing the differences between the same. Users will be able to type a question into ChatGPT or Bard to get responses that sound human-like. There are several differences between ChatGPT and Bard. The main differences are Bard will continuously access the internet for information, ensuring that it always has the most recent data. The sources used by ChatGPT only go up to the year 2021, so it can only be used for more recent data. By using the most recent research, Bard will have access to additional data from information gathering in real time. While ChatGPT utilizes GPT 3.5, Bard employs its LaMDAs for dialogue applications. In order to comprehend natural language, LaMDA was based on an open source network to produce dialogue instead of only using individual words. It is trained to look for patterns in phrases and between words. So to wind up this topic, I would like to share one thing. No matter how many AI tools are made or available in the market of surfing, but they can never take over a human's place. Remember one important thing, which is artificial intelligence is there to make our work a bit easy, but the content generated by them will not be as creative as we think. The founders say that the content generated from these tools will be repetitive and limited. And for more such interesting content, make sure to subscribe our channel and like our channel Umeacamey and share with your friends who really need this video. Thanks for watching again guys, goodbye.